What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Susanna N Kama Kawaida, and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you work out very healthy. Yes. So if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, kindly like, subscribe, share, like, and comment, and subscribe for more educating videos. So today's video, actually, I'm going to show you how to make paper boat, paper aeroplane, paper trouser, paper t-shirt, how I normally make those things for my baby too. I normally actually yes, make those things and then leave for my baby to be playing with. Okay, so I don't buy, like, maybe it's only the card that I don't know how to make with a paper, but some of the things I make them with paper, then I give my son to play with. Okay, yeah, so subscribe for more videos. Daddy, sit. I make for you a paper boat. Okay, have this. Drink. Drink. So we have our paper here. This is actually a paper, a normal paper. You can either plug it from your book. Yeah, just plug it from the book. You can see this is a plain paper. Either you can use a written paper, any paper, as long as it's not hard paper. Okay, just use a soft paper. Okay, so actually I made some of the things, but my book is now, I don't know whether this boy put my book yesterday. I've looked for it, so I've got some of the papers that I used to make his papers last week. So all you have to do, get your paper. You know, when you plug a paper in a book, you have to make sure you line it, you make it same. Okay, you can see, you make it the same. If it is big, you trim it. Yeah, you trim it and then make it same. Okay, because if you don't make it lined and the same, it will disturb you when you're making it. So you just fold it, like that, Mom. And then Mom. Come to the Mom. Sides. Mom. Yes. Mom. Wait. Yes, you fold it from both the sides. You can see this is the side, and then also from this side. Also from this side, you fold it. We are making aeroplane. Yeah, so you can see what you normally see kids playing with. Then you blow, it will go. Okay, just as simple as that. All you have to do, wait. All you have to have is just your paper, trim it and to the same level. Yeah, fold it and then fold it from this side. When you're making an aeroplane, paper aeroplane, you can see this is the side. Okay, and also this is the side. By the way, this is good for your babies. You have to teach your baby. Bye. You have to teach your baby when the baby is still young, like the way I'm doing to my son. Like the way I'm teaching my son. Okay, so you just trim your paper and then fold it like that. When you're making an aeroplane, you have to fold both sides, looking one same side. You see, this is the other side and this is the other side. Yeah, then fold it like that. Just as simple as that. Teach your baby when your baby is still young. Okay, yeah, just like that. You can see that is a paper aeroplane. Yeah, paper aeroplane. So just blow it and it will go. Yeah, then that is the paper aeroplane. Okay, that is how it looks, paper aeroplane. That's just easy as that. So let me show you how to make paper boat. Put it down, Konza. So when you're making paper boat, you can either use the same paper. Yeah, so you just fold it this side And then also this side, turn it back and fold it. So you can see it looks like it's in the form of paper aeroplane, but you turn it, but then you turn it in the middle. You see, in the middle, you see how it has turned. Then do it like this. Also the other side, do it like this. You see, then come this, then come this. So you can see how it has looked. And then you're going to, you see, you can even open and then do it like this. See, fold the other side, then do it like that and do it like this. Yeah, again fold it, do it like this, and do it like this. So that is enough. Yeah, paper boat. So you can see the paper boat. Ooh. Paper boat. Like mostly you can actually do it even with a thread. I normally do it with a thread, but now I don't have a thread. So this is our paper boat. So you can see paper boat, okay, and this is our aeroplane. Yeah, paper boat and aeroplane. You can see that. So now we are going to make a paper t-shirt and a paper trouser. Drink it. Yeah, so this is our paper. Drink it, Dylan. Drink it. So this is our paper for making a paper t-shirt and a paper trouser. Yeah, so all you need is just to fold it, make sure it is the same both sides, and then fold it, you make sure you make it softer, okay, like that. Then you open it. You see the sides are coming already. You see, with the making a t-shirt and a trouser, you have to fold. This side has to come inside, okay. Again, you got the same round. Actually, me, I normally make this for my baby. When I see so much disturbing, yeah, I don't buy toys. I just make this. Many of these I put it in the house for him, so he can play with it, okay. But still, even if you don't know, still, even if you don't know how to make this, you can just buy toys. Yeah. So let me now show you how it is. Can you see that? So you see the sides? They are not really seen, but you can see that. You see also the sides, this one, both sides. Now let me show you. You're going to pull this side up. You see? And then also you're going to pull this side up. You see that? You see that? You can see that, okay? And then also you're going to turn the other side also up. Can see that is a t-shirt. Yeah, that is a t-shirt, paper t-shirt. Yeah, so if you don't want it to be like that, you can actually return this. You can return this there, okay? You also return this one there, and you remember this is the head, this is the arms, and this is the bottom part. So that's why you have to bring this line back. Yeah, that is the hand, and also that is another hand. This is the neck, this is the bottom, these are the arms. Okay, you can see that. Yeah, so that is a t-shirt. So we have made now three things: a t-shirt, an aeroplane, and paper boat. Okay, 3 things. So let's make a trouser. Kindly subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. Kindly subscribe, share, like, and comment. Let me make for you a trouser. So this is the paper. Yeah, you can see that is the paper. So now we are going to make a trouser. Okay, still the same thing. You're going to fold. Make sure you soften it. Okay, boom boom, wapi boom, boom. You do it the same. You can see the way it is. This side is this side. You can see they are not the same. You fold this one, you fold this one on the other side. The same as I'm making a t-shirt. Okay, and then in the middle you do it that way. Then make sure the both sides you soften it so that it can be easy for you. Okay, fold it, fold. As you can see, when I fold, you can see. So you can see when I fold, you can see that. Fold also from the other side. You can see that. Same. This part. You see the part? You see the edges? You fold it behind inside. Same way like you're making a t-shirt. You can see that. Again, you go. The other side also, you go. Make sure you be softening this side so it can be easy for you. Same. You see that? Fold. Fold. You see? And then also fold. It will come actually with 4 edges. So you just keep on folding. You see? You also fold it inside like that. You see? Well, that is the last part. Yeah, boom. Yeah, you see that? So all you have to do, you see the edges. You see, this is the edge number 1, edge number 2, number 3, number 4. There are 4 edges. Okay, So what we do, we bring this first one up. You see, sit down and eat your thumb. Sit. You bring also this button one up. You see. So then, so you can see this. Can you see that very well? We have brought this one up and this one up. So these two are not, they are still like that. So what we are going to do is turn it down like this. So this is a trouser. Bye. Yeah. Bye. You can see that. It's just that this is a paper thing, so it can't fall down here. But this is a trouser. This is the waist, and these are the legs. Yeah. So same, it will look like a t-shirt. Yeah. So me, I normally like it when it is like this. So you can see that is a trouser. Yeah. So we have made a trouser, a t-shirt, a trouser and a t-shirt. You can see trouser and a t-shirt. Yeah, you can see that this is a trouser, this is a t-shirt. Daddy, no. And aeroplane. Yeah. Aeroplane, trouser, t-shirt, and paper boat. Yeah, so you can see I made a paper boat, a t-shirt, a trouser, and aeroplane. 4 things. Yeah, so it's just very easy. So you can also teach your child how to make these things at home. Very easy, so that the baby will not be disturbing you when the baby grows up. You just have to start it now when the baby is still small. The baby will grow up knowing, I know how to make this, I know how to make this. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Actually, I'll see you on my next video, so you can see how beautiful the paper boat, as just easy as that. Yeah, paper boat, aeroplane, all of them, they're just very nice. Okay, so that is all for today. If you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, share, like, and comment. I will see you on my next video. Subscribe for more best videos ever. Okay, see you.